Class 6, Chapter 2. Yesterday, in previous lecture, we discussed about components of food, nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins. Today we talk about minerals and water. Components of food. Okay, so today we talk about minerals. See, what is minerals? Minerals are nutrients that contain certain elements. First thing, minerals are made up of certain things, certain elements. All of them perform particular function in the body. They are required by our body in small quantities in the diet to maintain good health. The deficiency in our diet also leads to deficiency disease, and table 2.2 also show some minerals. The list of important minerals and their sources and importance of deficiency. So you have to focus on table 2.2, in which some minerals are there like iron, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, iodine and fluorine. These are the minerals which are very useful, but in little amount of in our body. So the source of iron is eggs, meat, green vegetables, and the importance of iron is for to formation of substance that help us to form red blood cell, which carry cell oxygen to the body cell, and due to iron the deficiency disease is anemia. The patient become very weak. Okay, now the next mineral is calcium, which provide from the source of milk product, leafy vegetables. The importance of calcium to for strong bones and teeth, and if we do not take calcium properly, our bones are very weak and tooth decay. Phosphorus. The source of phosphorus is meat, fish, egg and whole grains. It is important for the development of a strong bones and teeth, for the making of energy rich compound in the cell of our body. If we do not take phosphorus in our food, like if we do not eat meat, fish, egg, then our teeth and bones become bad. Potassium. Green and yellow vegetables contain potassium. It is important for the growth, for keeping cells and blood healthy. Without it, our muscle become weak. Sodium present in common salt. For the proper functioning of nervous system, we need to eat little amount of common salt. Without salt, our muscles cramp. We feel tiredness. Iodine, which contain ionized salt, which is also help to secretion of thyroid hormone. And if we do not eat iodine, then our here is a gland, thyroid gland, and if we do not eat iodine, then this part is out, and some amount of muscles increase in this area, which is said to be goitry. Okay, the last minerals is fluorine. Water in some areas containing fluorine, it makes the enamel to the teeth and hard and prevent dental care. Okay, so enamel is a topmost area of teeth which is in white calcium, which is made up of calcium carbonate, and it is very strongest. It is highly and largest and hardest substance in our body, and it prevent to dental problems. Okay, so these are the important sources and deficiency disease of minerals. We have to draw first table 2.1 and table 2.2 in our book in your copy, and then after remember it. Next is water. We know that water is very important for us. We all know about water. See, water makes up 70% of our body weight. If our body weight is 100 kg, then the water present in our body is around 70 kg. So just imagine what is the importance of water in our body. Okay, most of these water is present in the cell of the body, and some water lies in a space between the cell. So we know that our body is made up of so many cells. So some amount of water present in cell and some amount of water present in the space between the cell. Okay, some water contain the liquid part like plasma of blood, and life process cannot occur without water. Okay, so whatever our process are there, like taking food, digestion of food, taking out the food, they water are helpful in all these processes. Water play a vital role in our body system. First, it help us body absorb nutrients from food. Whatever we take food, and food contain nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins. So the water help us to absorb these nutrients from food first. Second, the transportation of nutrients throughout the body. Once they absorb the nutrients, then the second task is to spread all the nutrients to the body. The water work and water transport all the nutrients in the body. Third, it collect waste and different part of the body. It collect wastage from the different part of body, and then after it remove from the body like urine and sweat. Okay, in the form of urine and sweat. Okay, the water is cooled by evaporation of sweat from the skin, and we lose lot of water every day as bathe, sweat, cry, get rid of the wastage. So we have to take enough water daily.